Here's what's on tap for today. Beautiful color feed, always. Alright, so here's an update on that quick fix for the fire ants bites with the homemade remedy of Ambusol and Tiger Balm. Okay, so here's the problem. You see all these? See all those? All that. All that. Okay. And here. See the problem? It's all over. Bites all over. So, in essence, the homemade remedy of Ambusol and Tiger Balm worked relatively well. Not perfect, but it soothed the pain to a great extent and the itchiness, but you still had a little discomfort. So what I did is I added a loratadine pill, tablet, and one 650 milligrams Tylenol, and that took care of what was remaining of the discomfort. And I repeated that treatment today, and I feel perfectly fine. At least in my case, there was an allergic reaction component to the itching and burning and all that the bites from the fire ants did, which was addressed by anti-inflammatory like Tylenol and painkiller, and a anti-allergy pill. But the Ambusol and the Tiger Balm combination seemed to work well, relatively well. It eased a lot of the itching and burning and pain. So from these, just one experiment with 2 applications, it seems like that combination will help, for a quick fix if you don't have Tylenol and if you don't have an allergy to insect bites. So that's just the bottom line. It works relatively well, not perfect, but for $6-7 and quick application, it works fine. Anyway, I'm gonna cook lunch and we'll clip the lunch. I have leftover pork chop, and I have some macaroni salad or coleslaw to go with that, and a beer. So here we go. Okay, so today I'm doing the casserole. As I said, I got my fire going. I got my casserole here, and I got the pork already cooked, and I made it yesterday or the day before yesterday. This is a good portion of it. I'm gonna put it in the casserole, in the pot, and then I'm gonna add the green sauce. So this is pork and green sauce. Okay. I'm gonna add a little beer just to emulsify the whole thing. To mix it. I'll lower the fire a little bit so it cooks slowly. There's not a whole lot of cooking to do here. Just heat it up. Heating up. Ready. Okay. And this spot keeps getting darker and darker since I don't have Brillo pen.